Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to lock photos in iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Shortcut app on your iPhone device. So inside Shortcut app, simply tap on the automation option available there. After you tap on it, tap on the plus icon available in the top right corner. So inside plus icon, scroll down and tap on the apps option available there. After you tap on the apps, you can see the choose option available there. Now tap on the choose and choose the photos option, or you can simply type down in the search address bar, tap on the photos. After you tap on the photos, tap on done and make sure that the run immediately option is chosen there and go with the next. Now tap on the new blank automation option available there again. After you tap on new blank automation, you will get to see add action available there. Now tap on the add action. After you tap on add action, scroll down and search for the lock option available inside there. But if you don't find one, then simply search in the search address bar and you will get to see one lock option available there and tap on it and simply go with the done. So now you have successfully logged your Photos app through your Face ID. Now open the Photos app and you will get to see logged. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.